Hey there, small business owners! Ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of creating a website? I get it, it sounds daunting, but guess what? You can create a stunning website for free using AI. Yep, you heard that right. Free and easy. Let me walk you through it. First, you need to choose the right AI website builder. There are plenty out there, but my top recommendation is Wix ADI. ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. Essentially, it does all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what really matters, your business. So, how do you start? Head over to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, select Start with Wix ADI. The AI will ask you a series of questions about your business. Things like the type of business, the name, and what features you want on your site. Answer these as accurately as possible. Now, here's where the magic happens. The AI analyzes your responses and creates a personalized website design for you. It even suggests the best images, layout, and content based on your business type. It's like having a professional designer on call 24/7 without the hefty price tag. Next, you'll want to customize it. Even though the AI does a fantastic job, you might want to tweak a few things. Maybe change the color scheme to match your brand or add some unique photos. This is all easily done with the drag and drop editor. No coding required. Let's talk about content. Great content is key to engaging your visitors. The AI can help you here too, suggesting text and headings that align with your business. But remember, personal touches go a long way. Share your story, your passion, and why you started your business. Once you're happy with the look and feel of your site, it's time to publish. With Wix, even the free plan gives you a professional-looking domain, although it will have Wix branding. If you want a custom domain, you can always upgrade later. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've got a stunning, professional-looking website, all thanks to AI. No need to break the bank, no need to stress over design. Just focus on what you do best, running your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing